Welcome to today's tutorial on how to record and edit screen capture videos using Camtasia. Whether you're creating tutorials, presentations, or software demonstrations, Camtasia offers powerful tools to capture and polish your content. First, launch Camtasia. You'll be greeted with the Camtasia dashboard. Click on New Recording to start setting up your screen capture. Choose your recording area, whether it's full screen, a specific application window, or a custom region. Adjust your microphone settings to ensure clear audio capture. When you're ready, hit the record button. Camtasia will begin counting down, giving you a moment to prepare. Perform your actions on screen while Camtasia captures everything, your movements, clicks, and any audio from your microphone. Use the pause button if you need to take a break or gather your thoughts. Resume when you're ready. Once you're done, click on the stop button to finish recording. Now let's edit your video. Camtasia will automatically import your recording into the editor. Trim the beginning and end to remove any unnecessary footage. Use the split tool to cut out mistakes or refine sections. Enhance your video with annotations, callouts, and text to highlight key points or provide additional information. Add transitions between clips for a smooth flow. Apply visual effects and animations to engage your audience. Adjust audio levels to balance voice narration and background sounds. You can also add background music to enhance your video's atmosphere. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to export your video. Click on Share button in the menu and click on Lectora Output. Congratulations! You've successfully recorded and edited a screen capture video using Camtasia. With its intuitive tools and powerful features, Camtasia makes it easy to create professional quality content for your audience. Thank you for watching.